Installing Ford Bronco with spacers moves the wheels and tires outward from the hub assembly. This adds more stability and improved handling, even when the tire size does not change. In addition, a wider track enhances the rollover resistance.
Not all wheel spacers are built the same. Cheap universal spacers might seem tempting, but they can cause issues like vibrations or even damage to your hubs. That's why I always recommend hub-central spacers. These are designed specifically for your car, ensuring a precise fit between the wheel and hub. This reduces vibration and keeps your ride smooth, even at high speed.
Aluminum spacers are lightweight and strong, effortlessly withstanding heat and force. Due to the material properties, the Ford aluminum spacers are suitable for corrosion resistance and rust-proof. This is good for off-roading use.
Bonus Ford wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy 6061T6 and 7075T6. The spacers are built to handle the stress of hard driving. The forging process actually makes the metal tougher and more durable than cheaper cast options. Bonus wheel spacer with active cooling technology. This wheel spacer have a pintle-shaped groove design that channels air towards your brakes as the wheel rotates. This helps dissipate heat, cutting down on brake fade. The wheel styles are made from high-strength SCM 440 alloy steel, meeting ISO grade 12.9 standards. If you are considering Ford spacers, remember they are more than a cosmetic mold. They improve stance, stability, and performance when you downright. Always choose a precision product to get the most from your Ford.
Whether you are upgrading the aesthetics or improving the handling, choosing bonus wheel spacers ensures that you are getting a product that meets the highest standards of performance and quality.